Hey y'all, and welcome to the Liberty Loving Kitchen, where the first ingredient is always love. I'm your host, Barry Patton, along with my co-host and dad, Patrick Patton. And in this video, we are once again going to put our classic hand-tossed pizza dough to use. But this time, we're going to make a calzone. So let's get started.
So we will start with, we have our dough ball, which is 500 grams. I'm going to make the mix first, so it doesn't get sticky. So we'll take just a little bit of ricotta. Some people like ricotta, some people don't, so I'm probably neutral. But just get you a few scoops out of there. Take your 1 egg. And with a fork or something like that, take the egg and ricotta and we'll mix it all up. And then I might want a little bit more ricotta when I get done. I think I can add a little bit more.
And as you probably saw in a recent video, we made the dough itself from start to finish. So you can definitely check that out, and also check out the video where we build our hand-tossed pizza.
Right, and we will and our breadsticks. Oh
yeah, that too. My bad.
We haven't done a pizza video yet. Anyway, so we've got our egg and ricotta mixture here. Now we'll take some Parmesan. Not Parmesan. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
Yeah. Dump in there. And I didn't really measure it. Just a decent amount, and I think I'm probably going to have too much anyway. So I'm going to have enough. Maybe too much for this one, but anyway, mix it all up and kind of makes it a little paste, a cheese paste. What better paste than cheese paste?
I don't know, really.
Now we will set that aside. Get our 500 gram dough ball, and we're just going to shape it into a pizza.
A calzone.
We're going to shape it in the shape of a pizza crust. It'll be round. But we're going to make calzone. And we'll get a little flour on there so it's not so sticky. And you can work it all by hand if you want to. I like to roll it a little bit. Seems to make it a little bit more consistent. But you can do it however you want. On a calzone, since I'm folding it over, I do try to get it fairly round, just so when I fold it over, it matches up well. And we're getting pretty close there now. I think that's pretty good. But before I go any further, I'm going to put a lot of semolina down to keep this from sticking. Sometimes that'll happen.
Sometimes it does.
Sometimes that will happen. So I'm going to draw me an imaginary line. That's going to be my half right there. So, I like to line it. And first, before I start, I will dough dock it. This is optional. I like to do it to keep it from getting the big bubbles in the dough. So we're just making a plain and simple pepperoni calzone. So I'll do 2 layers of pepperoni. Go around the edge. I'll leave enough. I don't get so close to the edge where I can't pinch the dough to kind of seal it. We will be cooking this on steel plate, 3/8 inch steel plate, which I think is the best method of cooking any kind of dough. We've got our, and I just pinch this out by hand, and you can see it's kind of, with the ricotta in there, it's just kind of like a little paste. Well, I may use more than I thought I was going to. And then you just start in the middle and go along the sides. You won't get too close to the sides again because we will be closing this up. And kind of pat it down when you get it to your shape. Don't think I finished my thought earlier. We will cook this on the cooking steel in the oven, just a regular household oven, but with the steel plates in it at 550 degrees, which is the hottest my oven goes. If you have an oven that goes hotter, I would cook it hotter. A lot of commercial pizza ovens get up to 900 plus. And to keep that from being too much, I'm going to leave that just like that.
That is a pretty hot oven, 900 degrees. 550 is hot as it is.
That's true. Alright, we will place our last and second layer of pepperonis. And once you've got your dough made, these are very simple. Ran out of some pepperonis. We like to use boar's head. There we go. And we will pull this over.
It didn't stick. That's good.
Yeah, should have put more on the other side. Yeah, just take that edge here, kind of pinch it, turn it over. And take my fork and I'll just kind of mash it down to kind of seal those edges.
That's also called crimping. Similar to what some people might do if they're making a homemade pie crust.
And it is sticky, so we'll flip it over here. Get it in that semolina. And you see, it makes it slide around pretty good. And it leaves a neat texture on there too. Camera guy. All right, We will put this in the oven now. Put a little similar additional Ricotta. And here we go.
So again, 550.
550. We'll do it at 3 minutes. And at 3 minutes, we'll flip it over and cook it for another 3. We have been cooking it for 3 minutes. And I'll bring it out here, flip it, and right back in the other side.
3 more minutes.
3 more minutes and we'll be done. And we are done. The other side cooked. That is ready.
Yes, it is.
Let that sit for just a second. And then we will cut her open and check it out. Look at that nice char all the way around.
Ooh. Ooh.
We'll come in close. Look at that. Pair this with a little bit of our delicious marinara sauce.
All you need.
And it's a good day.
Well, does that about wrap us up?
Think we're done.
Alright, well before we go, let me remind y'all one more time to go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section and share, share, share. We'll see you next time here on the Liberty Loving Kitchen.